So welcome to Jalan Athinahapan in Taman Tun, Dr. Ismail. Today we bring you this inter-terrace home that is both unique in size and location.
If you are hunting for a freehold plot of land in a central part of Klang Valley that has all the amenities you need without venturing more than 10 kilometers out, then this is the home for you. At the 2 million mark, this might be the right one for you and your family.
So first up, let's check out the location of the house. When looking for an inter-terrace home, what you want to check out is the road line. This is because you're looking for ample parking and privacy. And this home definitely ticks all these boxes.
Now let's look at the size of the house. This is 24 feet by 95 feet, an extremely rare land area for TTDI terrace homes that averages at 24 feet by 75 feet. It's hard to find an inter-terrace home with this plot of land. And this unique size is only applicable to houses along these two rows. Another thing you want to take note is that the 2-story houses here can go up to 3-story. Whatever land size area you're looking for, you want to look at the amount of built-up area you can go for. When you have the opportunity to build up to 3-story, you don't have to spend the money to do basements and save more money by building upwards. Let's consider the amenities that are available in the area. TTDI has one of Klang Valley's best amenities. I'm not sure if you remember, but we recently posted how you can spend an entire day running all your errands without having to leave the community. I think this is one of the reasons why more and more people are looking into TTDI to call home, and why the landed property prices here continue to appreciate. All major banks are located in this area. You can do your dry cleaning, pick up your favorite Ipoh Kway Teow while making a pit stop for a nice cup of latte. Need to fix your car and grab a massage while waiting for the auto shop? We've got ya. Run your entire day of errands, both personal and business, just in the area. And this house is located within walking distance of 2 parks, a community hall, a children's library, futsal court, and tennis courts, all maintained by the local council.
So now that we're done talking about the location and land area of the house, let's go on inside. As you enter the house, you will find that there's been some renovation done, all with quality wood finishing, something that you don't get very much these days. There is also a lounge area that can be turned into a kids' play area or use this space to entertain your family and friends.
The layout is split down. This was the design trend in the days to have a separation between the living and dining area. So the dining area is a dedicated space just for you, like a cozy restaurant. The kitchen has its own breakfast corner and is extended so that you can do heavy-duty Asian cooking at the back. There is a room downstairs with a bathroom. The owners converted it into their own yoga room that looks out into a water feature. But you can easily turn this back to a room that fits a queen-size bed. So on level 2, you have 3 rooms and 2 baths coupled with a family area. The master bedroom faces northeast and it's large and spacious. The 2 bedrooms are just as large, but because of the 95 feet length, you will be able to extend the rooms out and create an even larger space if you wish.
As demand for landed homes increase, construction price going up, and limited inventory, TTDI homeowners are essentially sitting on land price appreciation.
The demand and transactions for this area is brisk, and this is important to note because this will affect the bank valuation.
And in the future, when you do want to sell your house, you will want to sell it at a higher price point.
At the moment, the renovated move-in condition houses in TTDI are transacting at an average of 1,000 to 1,003 PSF in terms of land area.
This property is going for 2 million or 877 PSF. So what this means is that if you buy the house today and renovate, your price appreciation is already there based on today's market price. This is without factoring future land price appreciation. I'm Yin Ping from Yin Homes, always happy to show you the place. I hope to see you soon. Bye!